My mother had been the director of Keep Brevard Beautiful, so I grew up from an environmental family, and my mom used to have us to go to all the cleanups that she was involved in.
Having grown up with a heightened sense of social awareness, Angela Sharkey has dedicated her life to making the world around her a better place. As a UCF grad, she's been involved in the collective efforts of the alumni throughout the community.
I received a note from Darla Olive a few years ago about that she was forming a UCF alumni volunteer group, and I thought just how wonderful, considering the number of alumni that are available to make an impact in the community. And each month we choose a particular project to do, and we choose some to target the hungry, children, animals. We have all types of community service events available.
For Sharkey, the rewards of helping others go beyond anything tangible. She is actively involved in the alumni cleanup efforts that take place after UCF football games, as well as an ongoing book drive to set up reading rooms for local community and juvenile detention centers. And of course, her leadership role in Keep Orlando Beautiful keeps her busy. In 2002 and again in 2003, she was named the City of Orlando Volunteer of the Year.
There were some neighbors of mine who were from Special Olympics, and they saw my UCF letters, and they said that they wanted to learn how to play like the UCF volleyball team. So I sent an email to the coach of UCF women's volleyball, and she was so generous in offering for these Special Olympic athletes to come to the volleyball practice, and then the UCF volleyball team put on a clinic for the Special Olympics athletes here in Orlando, and it was just incredible.
As a Titusville native, the project that hits closest to home for Sharkey is the Titan I Restoration Project.
The Titan I rocket that's in Titusville sits along US 1, and it's probably the most prominent landmark in Titusville. We've had people to say that they have photos of themselves from family albums in Ohio, their family albums in Ohio that show them in front of the rocket.
Through all of her efforts, Angela Sharkey is the first to admit that it is the involvement of UCF and its alumni which has made much of her success possible.
Orlando wouldn't be the same without UCF, and we have so many people, so many talents to pull from, faculty expertise to make Orlando really the city beautiful.